How to make your business eco-friendly. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets. Today we're diving into an essential topic that not only benefits our planet, but can also enhance your brand image and attract more customers. That's right, we're talking about how to make your business eco-friendly. In recent years, consumers have become increasingly aware of the impact their choices have on the environment. As a business owner, taking steps to be more sustainable can set you apart from the competition and build customer loyalty. So let's explore some practical and effective strategies to make your business greener. First, let's talk about reducing waste. One of the easiest ways to start is by evaluating your current operations. Look for areas where you can cut down on excess packaging or use more sustainable materials. For instance, consider switching to biodegradable packaging or offering digital receipts instead of paper ones. By minimizing waste, you not only help the environment but also save money in the long run. Next, let's consider energy efficiency. Implementing energy-saving practices can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Start by replacing traditional light bulbs with energy-efficient LED lights. Additionally, make sure to unplug electronics when they're not in use and invest in energy-efficient appliances. If possible, consider using renewable energy sources such as solar panels to power your business. Not only does this reduce your environmental impact, but it can also lead to long-term savings on energy bills. Another key aspect of making your business eco-friendly is sourcing sustainable materials. When purchasing supplies, opt for products made from recycled or eco-friendly materials. This not only supports environmentally responsible companies, but also helps you promote a sustainable brand image. If your business is in retail, consider stocking products from local artisans who practice sustainable production methods. Let's not forget about transportation. If your business involves shipping products, think about how you can make your logistics more eco-friendly. Look for shipping companies that prioritize sustainability and offer carbon-neutral shipping options. Additionally, consider offering local pickup options to reduce the need for shipping altogether. This not only cuts down on emissions, but can also foster a stronger connection with your local community. Engaging your employees in eco-friendly practices is equally important. Create a culture of sustainability within your workplace by encouraging your team to adopt green habits. This could include promoting recycling programs, organizing cleanup days, or even offering incentives for eco-friendly commuting options, such as biking or carpooling. When your employees are involved, it creates a sense of ownership and commitment to your business's eco-friendly goals. Furthermore, transparency is crucial. Don't hesitate to share your sustainability journey with your customers. Use your website and social media platforms to communicate the steps you are taking to become more eco-friendly. This not only builds trust, but also encourages your customers to support your efforts. Consider hosting events or workshops that educate your community about sustainability, further positioning your business as a leader in this important movement. Lastly, regularly assess and update your sustainability practices. The journey to becoming eco-friendly is ongoing, and there are always new strategies and technologies emerging. Stay informed about the latest trends in sustainability and be open to adapting your practices as needed. In conclusion, making your business eco-friendly is not just a trend. It's a responsibility that can lead to positive change for our planet and your bottom line. By reducing waste, enhancing energy efficiency, sourcing sustainable materials, optimizing transportation, engaging your employees, and being transparent with your customers, you can create a greener business that stands out in today's market. Thank you for joining us today on Side Income Secrets. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, let's make a difference for our planet while building successful businesses. See you next time.